Yes, everyone, how are we? We finally managed it. I finally managed to crack the nut. Thanks for all the advice and help. Literally, just got the mallet on it and a spanner and just whacked it up a good few times, and it was an upwards motion, so that's absolutely fantastic. So as you can see in this video, you can just see me replacing it, taking the old one off, putting a new one on. So that's job done, that's banging. I've got to go and do the passenger side now, so that's going to be a challenge. I've actually got some caliper paint on the threads and on the actual nut, so if anyone's got any suggestions regarding removing paint, caliper paint, that sort of thing, or if I just literally have to brute force it again, and potentially which way around it'll be, whether or not it'll be a downward motion or an upward motion, it'd really be appreciated. But yeah, so just trying to clean things up best I can. WD and everything, just absolutely just using more WD than sense, do you know what I mean? But we've managed to get the job done. I'm doing this literally just, as you can see, just using one finger. I don't even want to tighten it to a point where I'm going to cross thread it or damage any threads or anything like that. So just being ever so careful as you do. I had a lot of comments about people saying, why don't you just take it down to a garage? Why don't you get a proper mechanic to do it? Well, there's no fun in that, and I've managed to do it now on this side. And as you can see, got some clean truck rod ends there as well. So that's absolutely banging. So we're just winning, really. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the help, guys. We'll slowly but surely get this car back up to standard. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm going to keep on top of it now, so it'll never get to that state of corrosion or just needing doing again. You know what I mean? I can just do it nice and easy now. I've got the right kit for it, and I'm not going to over talk anything like a moron kind of thing. So yeah, nice one for watching, guys. You guys are diamonds, and I'll keep you all up to date with the passenger side and see how we got on with that.